In behalf of the Kids with Cancer and their families of House of Hope, and the members and officers of the House of Hope Foundation, thank you very much for your generosity. I just claimed your remittance this afternoon from BDO Bank in the amount of 54,440. Maraming salamat po to all the organizations and the individual donors. We cannot thank you enough for your donation. May you be blessed 1,000-fold for making a difference to the lives of these children. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat.